Hey everyone! So today I'm showing you how to change your profile picture on Discord for Android. Whether you want to add a new photo or update your current one, this is super easy. Let's get started. Alright, first thing, open the Discord app on your Android phone. You'll land on your main page showing your recent messages and servers. Now look at the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see a tab that says You with your current avatar or a default silhouette. Tap on it to go to your profile page. Okay, at the top of the screen, you'll see a big bar that says Edit Profile. Tap on that to open your profile settings. Here's the thing. You'll see several options to customize your profile like display name, pronouns, and about me. But we want to change the profile picture. Look at your current profile picture at the top. You'll see a small pencil icon overlaying your avatar. Tap on that pencil icon. Now, you'll see a few options. The one we want is Upload Image or Change Avatar. Tap on Upload Image. Discord will open your gallery or camera roll. Browse through your photos and tap on the one you want to use as your new profile picture. You can resize or position the image by pinching to zoom or dragging it around. Make sure it looks good and centered the way you want it. Once you're happy with how it looks, tap on the tick icon or Done at the top right to apply your new profile picture. And that's it! Your Discord profile picture is now updated. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.